All right, in this video, we're going to go over some of the functions in iCON Site's checks app. Think of this as just checking your coordinate geometry. So if we go into checks, start with the most basic things. So while you're walking around, the easiest, you can just use it kind of like a tape measure. So if you take a shot, as soon as you walk away from that, it's going to, as you walk in real time in any direction, it's going to give you your distance from the point. So we see we're 52, 49 feet away. Also, let me add a little elevation to it. So if you raise your pole up or down, it's going to tell you the height difference between the points, the percent of fall, give you your sloping distance, horizontal distance. So you have more pages over here telling you your basically your bearing off of the point. This is for your area information. So we walked around storing an area. So then we can see how many square foot it is, things like that. Some other handy features with it, I won't go into every option on here, but say, for example, we've got concrete coming or some material coming and we want to know how much we need to order for the area we have time to do. So we'll just use the pad as an example. So I'll just select the pad, or that's the overhang. We'll just select our building pad. So now if we go over to our area, we can see how many, looks like I might have it in yards, but okay, here's our square foot. We can see what our square footage is. And then we can also go in here and do a toolbox and a block volume. So say there was 4 inches of material I needed to order in. So I can hit my button right here. I could type in 0.33 or whatever 4 inches is in tenths, or you can just type 4 and hit the inch button and hit check. Check again, and it'll tell you how many cubic yards you need to bring in to fill this area. So a little quick video here, just some handy tools. You can also save a report of it if you want to have something you can spit out showing what you did for the day. I hope this helps, and I'll be looking for the next one. Thank you.